Hi loves, welcome back to Synthetic Sunday. So today's unit is from divatress.com and I got this Bobbi Boss 13x4 Swiss lace unit, you guys. So this is my first time, I think, having a Bobbi Boss unit. This one is ear to ear lace. It says most natural hairline ever. You can part it in any direction. I got Carmela and I got her in a number 4. So let's go ahead and open this baby up, you guys. So here is fresh out of the packaging. Y'all, I broke my pinky nail. Don't judge me. So again, I got her in a 4, so she's pretty light. A nice like brown color. Not really picking up on camera, but she is brown and not like black. So here's a close-up of what she should look like. Of course, just in a different color. Okay, let's look at the construction now. So she does feel soft. She doesn't feel like braid hair. I know you guys ask me that a lot. She doesn't feel like braid hair, but she does feel soft. She doesn't look shiny at all either. Like, I don't see any gloss to this. Like, she has a slight sheen, like healthy hair sheen, but not like plastic, super shiny. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It has the adjustable straps in the back, and of course all of these are tracks, and then you get all of this lace parting space, you guys. So you get a little bit on the sides and then all of this in the middle. So this is supposed to be 4 inches in the back and then 13 inches from side to side. So let's see, she doesn't come with like a designated part that I can tell, but let's see. Let's see what this lace looks like. So this is what the lace looks like against my hand. So it's definitely too dark, so I will be doing baby hairs with this unit. Close up of the hairline, definitely needs to be plucked. So this is what the parting looks like.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, want you all night, want you all night. All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
So I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation. This brush is just for my wigs, you guys. And I'm going to powder the lace. So this foundation is a little bit too light for me. Not powder the lace, foundation the lace. And I'm just going to coat it like this.
Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Watch all night, watch all night, watch all night, watch all night, watch all night. stars are shining bright. Yeah, we should stay up so that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my eyes, keeping them closed, all the senses explodes. You and me under the sky.
Okay, so the lace on this is so freaking dark. Even when I put the foundation on it, that it looks like I didn't even pluck it. Like, this looks freaking crazy. So I'm going to try to doctor it up with some foundation and see if I can bring some scalp back.
Let's stay up all night.
Okay, so I'm going to pluck the hairs in the front just a little bit more. I think that's why it looks so freaking crazy, because it's just too dark.
Baby, let me hear what's on your mind. Yeah, let's talk. You have my attention tonight. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Making it so magical. All I need is you tonight. If you shut your eyes, keeping them closed, all of the senses explodes. You and me under the sky. Let's stay up all night. Give our hearts a new beginning. When we fell in love, every second, every minute, we were high on life. Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all night.
Okay, you guys, so I am all done. It was definitely scary for a minute because it was so dense up here that it was freaking me out, and the lace is too dark. But I think I made it look okay. Yeah, so this is definitely like a yaki texture unit, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like yaki, like it doesn't really have the little ridges on the bumps. It just has like that yaki look, like it's not silky or like anything like that. But this is what it looks like. This is how long it is, you guys. It is so freaking pretty and full. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back of the unit. Nice and full and like flowy. Love the body wave on it, you guys. And yeah, I'm about to wear this today. If it tangles or anything really crazy, I'll go ahead and leave it down below. I'll probably pin the comment at the top in the comment section and let you guys know how it wears, not how I wear it, how it wears throughout the day. But this is what it looks like. I'm really excited. I'm happy I got it in a 4 and not a 1B like I usually do, because I like that it's a little bit brown. But yeah, this is what I am working with. So but yeah, this is the unit, you guys. She is gorgeous, okay? Freaked me out, but I feel better now because I was like, I'm about to take this thing off. But I just didn't pluck it in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I post, especially if you love Synthetic Sundays. I love you guys. If you guys have any other videos or any other wigs that you guys want me to review or style, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.
Time didn't sleep as much as